Hello, I'm Dr. Taylor, your spiritual MD. Have you ever tried to meditate but your mind just won't stay still? You sit down, close your eyes, and suddenly you're thinking about groceries, emails, or that awkward thing you said 10 years ago. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. What if you could see when your mind wanders? That's exactly what Muse does. In this video, I'll show you how Muse became my personal meditation coach and how it can help you finally experience the peace you've always been searching for. Now here's the meditation struggle. Most people think that meditation is about emptying the mind, but it's not. It's about noticing when your mind drifts and bringing it back. The challenge without feedback is you don't know you're doing it right or not. This is why so many people give up, feeling frustrated and defeated. So I want to introduce Muse, your brain mirror. Now Muse is a headband that uses EEG technology to track your brain activity while you meditate. You'll hear peaceful sounds like gentle rain. When your mind gets busy, the sound picks up gently, reminding you to refocus. It's like having a meditation coach right in your ear, guiding you in real time. Now here's the science of neurofeedback. Now neurofeedback helps train your brain, just like lifting weights trains your muscle. With each session, you're rewiring your brain for focus, calm, and clarity. And Muse shows you your progress with easy-to-read charts and scores, turning meditation from a mystery into a measurable habit. Now, why I recommend Muse is that I recommended it to my patients and friends and now to you. Now for beginners, it takes out the guesswork. For busy minds, it provides real-time correction. And for me, it was the bridge between knowing meditation is good and actually experiencing its benefit. Now, the spiritual and holistic benefit, Muse isn't just tech. It aligns with practices of mindfulness, breath work, and inner stillness. And for those on a spiritual journey, whether it's prayer or spirituality and science, or simply seeking peace, Muse helps cultivate the inner environment we desire. So if you're ready to experience meditation with guidance and clarity, visit my link down below, choosemuse.com/ageless. There you will get a 20% discount, and every purchase supports my mission at Ageless Blueprint, bringing together science and spirituality for your health. Now, thank you for being a part of this journey.